Hi everybody, my name is Philippe Lamontagne and I'm studying in cinema at Saint-Hyacinthe. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the website Virtual Writing Tutor right here. If you're not a member, you can simply check 500 words at the time, but if you want to become a member, you can check 3000 words at the same time. For the one who doesn't know what is this website, it's really helpful when you try to make a text in English or correct your error. The only thing you have to do is to take your text right here, copy, and then you paste it on the box right here. If you want simply to count your words, you just click on count words. That's really easy. They give you right here. But if you want to check your grammar, click on check grammar, and then they give you how many error you did on your text and where is it, what did you do. Here is my error, how you can correct it, and if you have more question or something like that, they give you the link right here. And that's another application who can help you. You can also on the website you have dictionary right here, so you click on it if you have a word to check, like I don't know, flowers, look it up, and they give you the dictionary. So that's another thing. If you need to make an essay and you want to structure something, you have this one right here, first paragraph. But you need everything you need is on this website. So if you want to know how to pronunciate something, you can also click right here, not on the tree one, simply on that one right here, and they will spell you your text. I don't know.
Greenpeace exists.
I don't know if you hear it, but they simply spell you all your text. So that's it for the website. You have a lot of things here. You have some game, you can print it. You have a lot of things you can explore, and if you want, you can share it on Twitter, Facebook, Google, and I don't remember what it is. So that's really helpful when you need to make a text in English. That's it for me today. Have a nice day. See you soon.